Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your amusement park. Okay. So the idea here is you have an amusement park. Imagine you have an amusement park. Now you have advertised about your amusement park on Facebook. Okay. You have run an advertisement on Facebook about your amusement park. Now through that advertisement, new leads has been generated. Customers are coming and entering your advertisement, and because of that, new leads has been generating. Okay. Now the problem is, whenever a new lead is generated through your advertisement, you have to send them the brochure. And if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your customer, then you have to type a message individually for them, add the link of the brochure, and then finally send it to the customer on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have run an advertisement on Facebook, okay? Now, the customer who will enter this advertisement, automatically form will pop up, okay? Now they will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, I have used two applications here. First, I have used Facebook. I have used this platform to run my advertisement. And secondly, I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message and the link of the brochure. But here is one more problem. The problem is, there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that whenever the customer will enter your advertisement which you have run on Facebook, they will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how the form will appear in front of the customer. Here the customer will enter the details, okay, and they will submit the form, and as soon as they will submit the form, they will get a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page. Let me show it to you. Okay guys, so this is my WhatsApp web page. I have opened it for you. Here the message will be reflected on behalf of a customer as soon as we will fill up the form. So let's fill up the form on behalf of a customer now. Let's say our customer name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, number is 8269366913, and email address is 𝗪𝗵𝘆𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆@gmail.com. So now we'll submit the form, and we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our WhatsApp web page and we will check if we have received any message or not. Okay guys, as you can clearly see, a message has just arrived for 𝗪𝗵𝘆, which says, "Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Thank you for showing your interest in theme park. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our amusement park. This is the link. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable." Okay, that's why this link is not clickable. Thank you, regards, theme park. Now let me copy this link and open it for you, and we will see if this link takes us to the same brochure which we intend to send our customer. Yes guys, you can clearly see this is the particular brochure I wanted to send to my customer. Now you people must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration process just by filling up the form automatically, how it is possible to send the customers the message with the link of the brochure. So let me show you the process on my screen guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So in the first step, what we're gonna do is first we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate our first application, which will be Facebook lead ads. Now, why we are why we are integrating Facebook lead ads? Because we have run an advertisement on our Facebook account. We have used this particular platform, and here only customers will be seeing our advertisement and filling up the form. So it is important for us to integrate Facebook lead ads. Now in step number 2, it says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the customers will be receiving a form when they will enter our advertisement. They will fill up the form, and we will have the data of a new lead. Now I want that particular data of the customer should get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. Step number 3 says send the same data to WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so in the final step, we will be sending the link of the brochure and the message to our customer. But here is the twist, guys. Why we are using 360 dialog instead of WhatsApp here? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software which is official official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, so let's start with the process now, guys. Okay, guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers. Come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly. Okay. Now you can see the website page of Pabbly on my screen. What you have to do next is come on product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay. Now you can see the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see an offer is going on. Don't forget to go and check. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you have to click this, and guys, you can create your free account, completely free account, in just 2 minutes. So don't forget to go and check. Now because I'm already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, I wasn't, so I will. Okay, and once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today, we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click on Access Now. Okay, guys, so here you can see this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a workflow. We have to create a new workflow. So for that, what you have to do, come to the right corner. You can see a blue button is given which says create new workflow. Click this, and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now it is asking us to name our workflow. So let's name our workflow. Okay, let's say the name of my workflow is Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow. I have given the name of according to the applications we are integrating today, that will be Facebook and WhatsApp. So you can give the name accordingly, according to yourself, whatever you wish like giving it. Now I'll click on create. And guys, we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Okay, you can see the title name which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now let me tell you one important information. Let me give you one important information. The workflow which we are creating today, this particular workflow, I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box. Okay, so you can go to my description box and click on the link, and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, don't forget to go and check the link. Okay. Now let's read out what it is written here. It is written first, trigger when this happens. Choose your first application trigger. Action, do this. Choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, trigger event will be submission of the form. Okay, the customer will reach to our advertisement and they will submit the form. So submission of the form will be the trigger event, and what is the response we want? We want as soon as the customer will submit the form, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Now let's integrate our first application, which is Facebook lead ads. So for that, you have to come to your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. Okay, as you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now the new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. If I'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event. I'll choose this particular trigger event, which is new lead, trigger when a new lead is created. Okay. Now I'll click on connect. So guys, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so I am already logged in my Facebook application, so I am successfully authorized in. Okay, now it is asking us to fill up two fields, page and lead generation form. Okay, now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the various pages. Now these pages are the same pages which are there in my Facebook account. So let me take you to my Facebook account and let me show you the pages first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Now if you'll come at the left corner, you can see some options are given to you. Click on pages and automatically the pages will appear in front of you. As you can see on my screen, these are the pages which I have in my account. Now we will search for the particular page. The page name is Amusement Park. Let's search for the Amusement Park. I have created for this workflow the particular page. Let me search. Okay, here is the amusement and theme park. You can see if I'll click this, let me show it to you. Okay, so this is the particular page, guys. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing, because I haven't run an live advertisement right now. Okay, so I cannot show you from here how the form appears, but for example, there is a website for Facebook developers. Okay, so I'll open the same page and the form in my Facebook developers website to show you the example how the customers will fill up the form and how the data can be transferred into Pabbly, then automatically can be sent, a WhatsApp message can be sent to the customers. So guys, don't worry, whenever you will run a live ad on Facebook, automatically when the customer will enter to your ad or click to your ad, automatically the form will appear in front of them, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me show you the example first. Okay, let's go to our Pabbly Connect account first and let's map this particular page in our Pabbly Connect account. So let me show you how you can map the particular page. Let's go to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay guys, so we are back to our Pabbly Connect account. Then I show you, I have told you before, to see all the pages, you have to click this arrow and you can see all the pages here. Now I'll search for the particular page I have shown you just now, which is Amusement Park. So I'll map this. Okay, and you can see automatically the form which is integrated with this page has been appeared here, so you need not to fill this particular field. Okay, now what we have to do, click on save. And now let's go to our Facebook developer website where we will fill the form on behalf of our customers. So let me take you there first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the website for Facebook for developers. Okay, now here I'll choose the particular form. Let me search for the particular form. Here it is, Amusement Park, and you can see the form has automatically been appeared here. Now I'll click on preview form. Okay, let it load for a second. Okay guys, this is the form. This is how the customers will see the form. Here you can see an image has just appeared. Now let me edit the form. Let me fill up the form on behalf of my customer, so that the data of the customer will be captured in our Pabbly account. Okay, Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's say our customer's name is Sam John. Okay, this is the number and email ID is sam000@gmail.com. Okay, so you can see this is the information of our customer. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so we are back to our Pabbly Connect account. Now click on save and send test request, and we will see if the responses has been captured successfully or not. Yes, you can see the responses has been captured successfully. Here you can see the name of my customer. You can see the details, rest of the details, the number and the Gmail ID. So we have successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, and we have transferred the data of our customer into Pabbly. Now we have to jump to our next and final step, which is integration of WhatsApp. But guys, here's the twist. Here we are not integrating WhatsApp directly. Instead that we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that you have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, so to integrate 360 dialog, you have to come to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. Now action event works same as the trigger event. If I'll click this arrow, you can see the various action events on my screen. I'll click, I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this, and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection, and now guys you can see it is asking me to fill up two fields. First it is asking me to fill API key, and second it is asking me for the domain. So let's read out the description first so that we can understand from where we can get the API key and the domain. It is written here, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page. From the left sidebar and click on generate API button. Okay. And in the domain, enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key example 𝗪𝗆360dialog.io. So guys, let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you're in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that we have created a different video, and I have added the link of that video in my description box, so you can go and check the link. And one more thing guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Okay, now if you'll go through that link, okay, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at a very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the videos. Okay, now let me tell you from where you can get the API key. Okay, come to the left corner here, you can see 3-4 options are given to you. Now click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, now here in the right corner below you can see a blue button is given to you, which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and you can generate your API key. Okay, and with the API key the domain will be generated as well. Now listen to it very carefully. This is a one-time process. You don't have to do it again and again. You have to just click here once and your API key will be generated. After the API key will be generated, you can use the same API key for different workflows. Guys, I'm telling you again and again, you need not to generate this API key again and again. Okay, just click here once and use it for different workflows. Okay, now when the API key will be generated, you will copy the API key and the domain as well. Come to Pabbly Connect account and you will paste it here accordingly. Okay, in the API section you will paste API key, and here you will paste the domain. Now guys, for some security reasons I cannot show you this process. Okay, but it is very simple. I have already generated my API key, as I have told you it's a one-time process, and the domain as well, and I have copied it from before. So I'll paste it here, and after pasting both of the values I'll simply click on save. So automatically I'll be successfully authorized in back to my workflow. So it's a very simple process. Okay guys, let's meet back in our workflow. Let me do this process. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized in back to my workflow. Now we have to fill up the required fields. The first field is asking us for the template. Okay, so we have to choose the particular template. So if you'll click this arrow, you can see the various templates here in the drop down. Okay, now these templates are the same template which are there in my account on 360 dialog. Let me show it to you. Let's go back to my account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, here it is written show details. You have to click this, and at the top you can see 3 options are given to you. Now click on templates, and here you can see the various templates. Now these templates are the same template which can be seen in the scroll down there in Pabbly Connect. Now let me show you the template for this workflow, and let me show it to you what exactly template is. So this is the particular template, and you can read here a message I have wrote. So guys, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to our customers. Here you can read, hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. We have to provide a link here. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. Okay. So guys, you have seen this is just the body of SMS. Now you must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes which are given here? So these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, here in the body field 1, if I'll type the name of my customer, which is Sam John, you can see automatically the number has been changed to its original value, the name. Okay, so same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and rest of the variables. Okay, These variables will be keep changing according to the information of the customer. Now let me tell you one more important thing, how you can create your template. If you'll come up, okay, if you'll come up here, you can see at the right corner blue button is given which says add template. If you'll click this, automatically the format of template will appear in front of you. Okay, from here you can name your template. Now here you can select the language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Now after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. Okay guys, after you will create the template, you have to send the template for approval. The approval process is done by FB, Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done within a day only, but it is very important to take the approval before you use the template, because without the approval process you cannot use the template. Let me show it to you. All my templates are approved here, as you can see on my screen. Okay, that's why I can use these templates. Now let me map this particular template which I have shown it to you here in Pabbly Connect. How? I'll come to the template section, I'll click this arrow and I'll search for the particular template which is send brochure final. Here you can see I'll map this a template. Okay, let it load for a second. Now these two fields, namespace and language code, will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything. Okay, now here in the language code it is written EN. So EN stands for English, guys. If I'll take you back to my account, you can see here under the language section, here all the templates are showing EN. So this shows us that all the templates are in the English language and EN is the code for English. So these two fields will be automatically filled up. You need not to do anything. Now come to the recipient mobile number. Okay, so we have to map the recipient mobile number. Now guys, let me tell you one more thing. From previous time I'm doing mapping data. What is mapping data exactly? If you click this field, a drop down will automatically appear in front of you. Now if you click this arrow, you can see the responses down here. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect. Here you can see. Now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect because whenever you are required to fill up the required fields, you need not to go up again and again, then copy the data. So first search for the data, then copy the data, come down and paste it here. Instead you can simply click on the field, come to the scroll down and search for the value. It is asking for the recipient number. So this is the recipient number and I'll simply map it. Now the body fields will come. Okay, I have already shown you we have 6 variables there in the template, so we have to fill up accordingly. Now in the body field 1, it is showing us in example Heather Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer, which is Sam John. Come to the scroll down, search for the value which is Sam John. I'll search this. Now body field 2, it is saying example Pabbly Connect. So what we have to do, we have to enter the name of our park, which is theme park. Okay, so this is the name of my park, and in body field 2 it is showing us example software, means it is asking for the product. So let's fill amusement park here. Okay, now in body field 4 here in the example, you can see a link is given to you. So guys, here we have to provide the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customer. So let me show it to you from where you can find the link. I have added a PDF file of the brochure in my Google Drive account. So let me take you to my Google Drive account. Come to the new tab. Okay, here options, Google Apps options are given to you. Let it load. And here is the option for Drive. Click here. Let it load for a second, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my account on Drive. Okay, this is my account on Google Drive. Now here you can see brochure for theme park. Let me open it for you and you can see the brochure. Okay, so guys, the customers will be receiving the link of this particular brochure, as you can see on my screen. Okay, now I have to share the link of this brochure. So what I'll do, I'll come to my right corner here for more options. I'll click here. Now I'll click on share. Okay, so here it is written restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I'll change this to anyone with this link can open this particular link. Okay, I'll copy the link. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and here I'll simply paste it. Simple. Okay, now come to the body field 5. Okay, it is asking us for the website, so let me give you the name of my website, which is www.themepark.com. okay, and in body field 6 again we will enter theme park here. Okay guys, so this template and the variables I have created according to my need. You can create the template and you can give the variables according to your wish, according to your need. It's not necessary to give 6 variable or 5 or 4. You can even give 1 variable or you can give 10 variable. It's up to you. Okay, accordingly you will fill up the details here. Now we have completely filled up all the details here. Okay, now come down, okay, and click on save and send test request. And we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Let it load. Yes guys, you can see the responses are completely positive as there is no error it is showing. Now let's go to our WhatsApp web page and we will see if a message has arrived. Yes, you can clearly see guys, a message has just arrived for Sam John, which says, "Hello Sam John. Thank you for showing your interest in theme park. One of our team member will contact you shortly." Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our amusement park. Our link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website www.themepark.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why this link is not clickable. Thank you, regards, theme park. Okay, so now let me show you the link. Let me open this link and show it to you. If the link open takes us to the brochure which I have shown it to you. Okay, let it load for a second, guys. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this brochure is the same brochure which I have shown you there in my Google Drive account, and the customer has successfully received the same link. So you have seen how successfully the integration has worked. Okay, now let me tell you that the workflow which we have created today, this particular workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, guys, so you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check. Okay. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.